one of the people who
No.
criticise me most vociferously
No.
will be on my panel.
No.
What do you think Israel's response should be?
Nothing.
We are not going to see a better future in the Middle East.
Cenk, you were laughing at one stage there.
I find it disgraceful that you are laughing.
No.
Okay,
You
Cenk.
clarify. Let's clarify.
Okay.
I say no. No.
I find it very interesting what Cenk is saying right now, because the majority of the Iranian people, both inside and outside of Iran, disagree with him.
No.
They're not motivated by reason. They're motivated by extremism.
No.
You are missing the point.
No. We can talk over each
You
other
can
all
keep
day
saying
long.
no, it doesn't change the reality.
No.